My name is Amy Shaw and I'm an automotive photographer based in the UK. Photographing the Lamborghini, it was completely different to what I've ever photographed before, purely because of the edges and the sharp lines, and in comparison to classic cars, a completely different object to look at. Everything that I was photographing was from a totally fresh point of view. I started photographing when I was about 16 years old and I just loved it. I just loved capturing anything from my family, friends, pets, and I first started photographing weddings, and I think that gave me a great start to photographing emotions and moments, because unlike car photography, you couldn't plan anything because things aren't always easy. Things do go wrong, things change, and so for me it was a great way to be able to start showing how to photograph emotion, and weddings taught me how to do that. And I tried to bring that into my car photography, so my photographs, I hope, are more emotional and you can relate to the story much better. I did get the chance to drive the Huracán a couple of times, and it's like nothing I've ever driven before. It's something you really have to be careful in how you drive, but also you can have so much fun. The main challenge with photographing the Lamborghini was trying to tell its story in the way that I was experiencing it. So sometimes that can be very difficult to portray. It's just trying to find the little quirks that will give you that storyline, and finding them in the car and in the landscape and in the Italian light. And yeah, it was just a mixture of all those things, I think. But I think at the end of it, we definitely came out with some beautiful shots, which is very, very different to what I've ever produced, I think.